Now so I logged out, now I just logged back in, so I have this untitled project which you just saw a second ago. Now I can either create a new project or I can go back to this untitled project. I'll just go here and create a new RStudio project. And you might have had, I might have had this stuff over here, but you don't need this, so you can just close it. How do I close it? Maybe I just click here. Yeah. And then you can just raise this up there. And now if you want to do if you want to do swirl, you can go to Tools and where is it? Install Packages. Here, Install Packages. And you type swirl, SWIR. And then you click this one to make sure you spell it right. And then make sure this is installed dependencies and click Install. And now it's installing. And then it finished. You can see it stopped. Now here you can click this window. So here you have like what do we call it? So down here is called the console, and up here is like you can type your code and run it if you want to. But for swirl, you would just run it from here. So I'll just click back up here so you can see it more easily. So what do I click this one? Yeah. So, and also you want to move this up higher. I think you can, it's Control C, or actually what it is you can click right here, clear the console. So that brings it up here. Now you can, so we already got swirl installed. So then what we have to do is type library and swirl. S-W-I, okay, you don't need a capital S, I guess. So this one, click on that and just run it, hit enter, and there you're ready to begin. And what do? You go type swirl, that's what it says to do. I'll do that. Welcome to swirl, please sign in, what should I call you? They'll call me Bill, and thanks Bill, let's cover it. And you just follow from here. Hopefully you can get done. I think I showed some more details about what to do here. But basically it says, so whenever you see these three dots, you hit enter when you're ready. And then here you can just click any of these, 1, 2, or 3. It doesn't really matter which one for this. And then it gives you these things how you can navigate through this tutorial. So you can type skip. It allows you to skip the current question, play, lets you sort of play around with code and not interfere with where you are in the tutorial. And then you can, after you've played around with some ideas that you have for some code maybe, and you want to get back to the tutorial, you take NXT for next with the open brackets. This will cause swirl to exit. Your progress will be saved. Main returns you to swirl's main menu, and info displays all these options again. So that's how you would begin.